The stock index portfolio continues to do well this week. Just ran the portfolio backtester and multi-charts. Here are the trades today. I'm going to show you the backtest results really quick. Up 25,000 now in the month. This was run intraday several minutes ago. And you can see just sitting up here at equity peaks. And the monthly, you'll see the daily period analysis is about plus 2,900 today. And so let's look at the trades. Plus 870 on Cobra 3 NQ. Nice trade. Love this strategy. It catches it works to catch the trends. And so we put in a 30-point stop loss, let profits run, and you see the short from the other day. It has losing trades too, and this is the trade for today. Anything can happen intraday. Looking for it's been really good this month, so I'm looking for a drawdown eventually at some point, but it just continues to do really well so far this month. Adaptive moving average is doing really well. This is only moving average. It took me 22, 23 years to figure out a moving average strategy. You hear about these strategies, moving averages, all the time. And here is a short-term basis, last 7 months. It's recovering. It's at equity peaks, really. And so the long term, this equity curve looks very nice. It did go through a little bit of a drawdown in the May timeframe of this year, but it's recovered since May, about $10,000 per $9,000 per contract. And so some nice trades on adaptive moving average. Other trades today, stock index swing hit its profit target. $500 profit target, $1,000 stop loss. Might consider increasing that profit target on this strategy in this volatility. The breakout trade, 60-minute breakout, it got stopped out. 2 trades in a row after 3 winners in a row, and so we'll see if this one carries through. This can hold positions overnight. Night trader is flat. We had 3 losers in a row here recently on that, but it's flat now. It won't hold positions over the weekend, but 60-minute breakout could. Gap continued. This is from the members area. 7 trading systems for the S&P futures. Just finished the code for NinjaTrader 8, so I'm excited. I'm about to upload that to the members area after this video, and so you'll have access to that. It's very rare that you get a strategy that has a 15-point stop loss in the NASDAQ and has the results that this strategy has. Let's take a look at that. And so here are the results at equity peaks. Choppy, but with the 15-point stop loss, $300, you can't expect to have a straight line equity curve. We're looking to cut losses and ride winners, and this strategy has the potential to hit some home runs when it does that, because it doesn't exit until the end of the day, until the end of the time period that it's trading. And tick count trend, let's see, where are we? Just went over this one and this one. Already went over stock index swing. Let's look at the tick pullback. These are some other strategies with $300 stop losses. If you want strategies with $300 stop losses, gap continuation as well as tick pullback. Up 875 today on the ES. The E-mini NASDAQ is up 745 today. And you see that it just lets this thing ride. And so we're in another strategy here that, if this thing reverses, it'll get stomped out, and it'll only be a $300 stop loss. We're not going to mentally lock in intraday profits into our mind, and so we just go with the strategy. Tick count trend, it's down right now. It got this pullback, and so we'll see what happens. Interesting day with the bond market coming off its highs, and this looks like a counter trend rally to me. It looks like the bulls are trying to reclaim. I wouldn't have expected this move. I would have thought there would be more downside today. It looks like the bulls are trying to reclaim the highs here and then try to reclaim. They're trying to reclaim these highs as if these highs were legitimate. This was not even legitimate. This move was not legitimate. This was a counter trend move of a downtrend. And so in my opinion, they're fighting the trend. And so we'll see if it rolls over, though. But our strategies have it right so far today, more so than what I would have thought. And that's the benefit of trading systems, because oftentimes what we think is going to happen is wrong, and the trading systems usually do better than we do. And so those are the trades today for the stock index futures. SR counter trend had 4 different variations go short yesterday, and we're profitable on that. And SR counter trend 2 is one of our favorite strategies. It's not trading today, so for example, a trade like this that hit its profit target, that was yesterday. So you see 3 out of the last 4 trades on SR counter trend 2 was profitable, and you see this downtrend. They're trying to support this and reclaim these highs and perma bull market mindset. But we'll see what happens today. So far, since these strategies are long, we're rooting for the long side. And one of the things you really want to check out, though, is the gap continuation. If you don't want to trade a full portfolio, if you're not ready for a full portfolio, if you want to trade the micros, you can trade this on the micros. Or if you just have a really small account and you want to trade a micro or just one E-mini NASDAQ strategy, you want to look at this gap continuation strategy. It risks 15 points a trade, and it works to trade big runners. And so trying to capture those big runners is the best way to increase your account size, in my opinion, if you line that up with volatility like we're getting now. So that's the Friday update. Have a good weekend, and look at the video below this or in conjunction with this that's related to I go more into gap continuation 2019 for NinjaTrader.